What's going on, everybody? Shout out to the 3 viewers that's currently watching the show. Just getting ready for market open here. Don't forget to comment in the live chat below. Okay. Let's see what we can get on the alert side of things. See what the live chat talking about. Any stocks you guys want me to analyze for you guys, let me know in the live chat. We're just waiting for the open. MRM. It broke out. MRM broke out. If you guys was a part of our Discord, then you caught this one in real time, didn't you? Check this one out. Okay. Okay, we're looking for, there we go. Not so much from Kelly, but let's find our alert here really quickly. And if you're still with me, guys, can you please drop in the comment section below the word "still here with you." The comments really do help the channel grow, guys. I really be trying to get you guys to comment as much as possible. Alerts. Okay, MRM was our latest and greatest lately. Our OBS studio pulls up. Discord. I'm just looking for something really quickly, guys, and I can't freaking find it. Go live. All right, yeah, we called MRM yesterday. Well, not yesterday, Monday. Entry price 460. Price target 520. We kicked that one out the park with ease. Shout out to the 15 people that's currently watching. If you didn't smash that like button, can you please do so now? Carlos wants to check out HOLO. My boy Damar wants to check out HOLO. We're going to take a look at it, guys. Don't trip. Also, we're looking at NDRA. Good morning. I hope you all ready to make some money today. You know that, Carbon. You know we ready to make some money, Carbon. ASST is off the Richter scale right now. I don't know why that works, but not. It's weird. But anyway. As you guys can see here, MRM alerted in the Discord on Friday. Entry price 460. First PT being $5.20. We hit that. We hit that with these, as you guys can see here. MRM. If you did catch the alert, guys, let me know in the comment section below, of course. Let's get the display off. But let's see what else we can find this morning, guys. I'll do a deeper dive update on that later here today. We got 16 people currently watching, and only many likes we got, guys? I don't think the numbers adding up. 17 likes. 11 likes, 17 people watching. We're currently just waiting for the open so we can look at our 5M chart, guys. You know we like to look at our 5M when we're alerting things. Let's take a brief look and check out HOLO. If you're currently holding HOLO, let me know in the comment section below. Now, we did see a jump here in today's pre-market. We did see that pre-market jump, guys, to that 68 cent. Now, everything is starting to cool down. Let's get those interval stats here really quickly. Far as HOLO go, guys, like I said before, speculating that earnings will be on the 3rd for HOLO. I know a lot of people saying that they're only going to have earnings once. It's freaking day chart for everybody. Okay, so you got financial event. Financial event 18. MLGO, let's check that out. MLGO looks like it just got a nice little push here. It did here in the pre-market. Any other stocks you guys want me to look out for here this morning? Let me know, guys. Let me know. FFIE. Let's check out FFIE, guys. Currently holding FFIE. Don't be shy. Drop it in the live chat. It's not looking good for FFIE this morning. I'm going to retrace back towards that. Towards those 660 levels before we make a next leg up here in FFIE, guys. Currently got 21 people watching and only 13 likes. Get those numbers to add up for me, guys. Get those numbers to add up. What we like to look for when we are using our pre-market chart really quickly, we really like to find TNXP, guys. TNXP. I think TNXP was also alerted in our Discord recently. Okay, let's keep our eyes out on TNXP. I got to drop an alert on this. Where is our Discord? We got 21 people currently watching, guys, and only 14 likes. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. It really, really, really helps with channel growth. We're going to take a brief look and check out Mullen as well for Crazy Puppy. TNXP. Let's take a brief look and check out this 15-minute chart here really quickly. Let's get our pre-market. Anybody holding TNXP? Let's get our quotes out. Let's get our pre-market capital. Right now, looking like TNXP is about to continue to move to the upside. Looks like that 45-cent high is about to be easily broken. Anybody holding? Mullen. Let's check out Mullen. We haven't did a Mullen video in quite some time. Those gains that Mullen offered here Friday gave out pretty darn quick. I must admit that. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Did break support. Maybe headed back towards those sub 30-cent levels here early today. Far as Mullen being on its turnaround, I don't think that's the case here, guys. Have you had breakfast? Nah, Martin. Nah, Martin. I woke up pretty late. My coffee's done though. Need to go get that. Yeah, the coffee's done. I do need to have that now that I'm thinking about it. Let's see if we can find us something before we do that though. Let's get to our chart really quickly, guys. Anything that I should be looking out for here on today's trading, guys? Let me know in the live chat. I'll make sure that I do a video on it if it looks appealing. Let's see here. I like TNXP. I like what TNXP is showing us right now. You guys checked PW. I'm gonna check it out right now. Shout out to my boy Martin for dropping us some content to review really quickly. Shout out to those that's currently watching the live stream. We got 18 current viewers and only 16 likes. So if you're new to the stream and you haven't already, can you please, I'll say it again, can you please smash that like button? What we came to talk about here in today's video, PWM. And right now, being in that upper canal region on the Bollinger, cross the mid on the 15, challenge the upper. This thing may be standing in this upper canal region for the remainder of the pre-market. The next 30 minutes for trading for sure, meaning this shouldn't drop below that $1.8038 at all. It does look like it is giving out on momentum right now. Slowly, but it's too early to call, guys. Which is basically stocks like PWM, MRM, ASST. These are 3 tickers, guys. I wouldn't touch just yet. I'll wait to the open and see how the market reacts to the opening share price on these 3. If you didn't get them already. Yeah, I just wait till PWM to the open and see how the market reacts to this. DeMar says IEP. Let's check it out. And shout out to DeMar, man. He's all in the live chat. He's all in the live chat. IEP. He gives everything much 1 plus 1. Okay. Martin, yeah. Also, don't recommend in PWM. It was a few hours ago. You right. I mean, we may see a rally in PWM at the open though, Martin. So we're gonna keep our eyes out on that one. And then let's check out IEP really quickly. And for everybody out there, I just need whoa Nelly. All right. Really choppy trading this morning here in IEP. Very choppy trade. We need to see a little bit more if I can give you an analysis on this. We look at the day chart though. Gap between. We see a gap fail here. No, I don't think we'll be filling that gap here this week. And the IEP is FFIE going to go up today. FFIE going to go up today. Is it? Honestly, I think we head back towards that $6.80 levels. Wow, we're below it now. We're below my expected levels here of 680. But I do feel as though that FFIE will make another leg up past that 1140, just not today. This week for sure. CING is just seeing a nice little pop here. Is what my scale's telling me. What y'all think this is about? This little pop here. CING. What, we're on the 1 minute. BRB, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to get my coffee really quickly. All right, and I am back, everybody. All right, guys, just had to get my cup of brew. And now that I'm back, let's see what transpired a few seconds we was gone. NCNC. What's okay? Market cap 25, 35 on the share flow. News here today. Express granted extension period until October 23rd to regain compliance. That's it. Just compliance stock, compliance news. Not good enough. We got about 13 minutes left, though. No, 23 minutes left until market open. That's what we just waiting for, guys. Market open. We done. It's pre-market alert to come with a little bit more risk due to the liquidity that tends to actually fall in or out during these pre-market hours. But TCJH just hit the scale. Keep your eyes out on this. TCJH. 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 Entry would be 31 cents. 31 cents. PT 34 cents plus. Just had to drop that alert over in the Discord, guys. He says last month you received fees already. Last month. Okay. Yeah, we got, what is the PT yet again? 33 cent. No, we got 34 cent on our price target. That's the first price target. Will be 34 cent. Okay, let's see. That's not. There you go. All right. Says tested that $3.70 2 times and just chilling. Could you check out UBXG? I got you. UBXB. Mike, small float stock, low market cap. Any news on this thing? Because that is a combination for fast moving UBXG. Um, 15-minute chart. Yeah, that major fall. Is it on the turnaround just yet? Is the question. And it looks like it. Slight turnaround. We're on the 15. 15-minute chart looks healthy here. on that Bollinger Band break on the mid, still holding that upper, trading along the mid. That's very iffy trading along the mid, but staying above it is a total bull flag here in UBXG's case. And we only got 18 minutes before the open. 18 minutes and counting, guys. Once the open comes in, I'm going to be throwing more alerts left and right. It's easier to call these things when you got your 5M working. But the 5M doesn't work in the pre and aftermarket hours, so. Upper sits here at 362. I think you might be challenging this upper here today at that 362. FFIE, HOLO, BNED, NVAX are due to squeeze. I agree with the Barnes and Nobles. Now, you guys know Barnes and Nobles I consider to be the next short squeeze stock. Barnes and Nobles is the stock that everybody's gonna be talking about, like they was talking about with GameStop and AMC. Retail investors right now is looking for that stock, right? Retail haven't latched on to it just yet. Retail investors haven't took their head out their ass to get it out of AMC and GME just yet. Dude, I dropped this video on the GME board, right? And I'm talking about the GME traders, man. They ran me the fuck out of Reddit because of that. I'm talking about I got so much backlash for saying that this is a better choice than GameStop. You should have seen it. 24 hours later, I'm still saying the same freaking thing. This is a better short squeeze stock than AMC, than GME due to what? That share float. It's only 12.74 million shares tradable here today, right? Guess how many it is in GameStop? 388 million shares tradable here today. It's going to take a lot more volume in buying to cause this thing to squeeze, right? We go to AMC. AMC also going to take a lot of buying and or volume to get this thing moving. 335 on the share float tradable here today. So that's why I say Barnes and Nobles fits the bill better to achieve a short squeeze. Again, you only got 12 million shares. Now, Barnes & Nobles is only missing, ladies and gentlemen, volume. BRB, haha, Martin. I might end up the same place here because of this coffee, Martin. I made sure that I made it strong because today it's exactly where we're going. We're going strong here today, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. 23. Listen, man, it's not often that we run these live streams that we have more likes than current viewers. So shout out to those that did smash that like button, man. We got 2 more likes than current viewers. Hooray, hooray. Let's get those party things going on in here. We got about 14 minutes before the open. But yeah, Barnes & Nobles is my short squeeze target, guys. I'm telling you. If you don't know now, you know today. Barnes & Nobles, man, $17. We headed towards 17. Really 14. I said 14 yesterday. No, I said 14 Friday. I'm taking that back. We are headed towards a clear as day $14. 14 is clear. Yeah, we're hitting that 14 before retracement. I think we're gonna retrace a little bit before 17 though. But once retail get behind this thing, once we start to, like, if this thing had FFIE's retail investor interest, this thing could be off the roof right now. We can give a huge thanks to the reverse stock split. Because of that, it changed that share float. Now, this is the only thing that reverse stock splits actually have going for itself with companies that have a huge retail investor interest. Like Barnes and Nobles, it doesn't have a huge, but it's growing. FFIE currently has a huge retail investor interest. If y'all been keeping up with the channel, I told y'all what to expect from a reverse stock split with a huge retail investor interest. We expect a move like this. Now, FFIE, ladies and gents, share float is only 12.27 million. It was much higher than that before the 40-for-1 reverse stock split. Since then, the supply and demand effect comes into play, right? Same thing with Barnes and Nobles. We just haven't gotten the volume yet. Since the reverse stock split in Barnes and Nobles, ladies and gents, as you guys can see, it's been performing pretty darn well, right? And I don't think it's going to stop there. I do feel as though that retail is going to get behind this thing pretty darn soon, especially if media gets a hold of it. I know I'm going to keep making my Barnes & Nobles videos, guys, and I hope you guys keep attending them. Next stock, we're going to take a brief one. Martin, where you at? Martin, I feel bad for that toilet. I really, really do. More so with the people that's in the home that may experience botherance behind that. Shout out, I've been listening. We just got about 11 minutes before the open, guys. Just about 11 minutes. So that's what we're waiting for. It's really more of a I wouldn't say a fake out, a trick thing, but pre-market, man, liquidity goes in and out. Whoa there. Let's check these candles. 360 in volume, 516. 3%. Yeah, that thing about to go back down. That thing's about to go back down. Currently got 25 likes. Those likes just keep rolling in. Shout out to those that is watching, man. Like I said, we're just waiting for the open. And while we're waiting for this open, if it's anyone out there that want me to analyze a certain ticker, throw it at me. UBXG, I have a good feeling about it. Yeah, I checked it out. I just need a little bit more volume to pour in on UBXG. Let me make sure we're talking about the right one. No, this is something different. Oh, no. This is it. You talking about UBXG on a bounce back, right? Yeah, it's poised. It's poised, but far as $35 anytime soon here. It's asking for much. I mean, if you do a swing at it right now, I think I'm giving you a 410 PT short term. My boy Benji says, aka Benjamin. Shout out, good morning as well. Benji says, following you on FFIE and Mullen. All right, let's get this straight. For anyone that's watching that comment, right? I'm not too fond of Mullen right now. All right. It's really the CEO got to get out the company's way, man. I think any company with a PSA Performance stock award. I'm never, ever, ever considering investing in any company that has a PSA without any results. So. Performance stock awards and awarded of newly issued shares. Nah. This guy gets a PSA, the CEO of Mullen gets a PSA, Public Stock Award, to raise money. If the company raises money, he gets paid. And do you know how he raises money, guys? This is the kicker. He raises money through dilution. So he gets paid if he dilutes existing shareholders. Wow. Right, and the way that he dilutes existing shareholders is through offerings. Basically, he offered these selling shareholders a deal that they can't refuse. Basically, sell them some shares at like a 40% discount, which will be convertible after a certain amount of time. And by doing that, he's giving someone an offer that they can't refuse, and he gets paid after that. And you know who pays that bill? Shareholders, through dilution. So when you got a setup like that, it's basically a legal, I wouldn't even call it a Ponzi scheme. The only guy that wins here is just the CEO and the selling shareholders as well. But yeah, man, PSA, stay away from them. Unless the company is like NVIDIA and their CEO gets PSA, but nah. Short-term Mullen. Now, short-term, that is a totally different aspect for sure in my case. Short-term, though. Short-term may be on the turnaround from that 23. Me at 62. Yesterday's high, that 58, that's what I'm guessing. That's what I'm leaning towards on the mid. I wouldn't even say guess. That's what I'm leaning towards on the mid term. Well, short term, Benji, on the Mullen. CING popping off. Martin says. You guys know about that CING. I think we called that last week. Forgot which day, but I made a few dollars. Shout out to my boy Martin for hitting us over here with this one. Okay, guys. CING. How much time we got left? We got 5 minutes before the open, baby. You say, sorry, man. Short term for each FFIE and Mullen. I got you. Come on, Benji. You don't gotta sorry me, man. By showing up to the live stream, man. I'm here for you guys, right? I'm here for you guys. Shout out Benji though. Benji is keeping me busy for real, and I love it. FFIE. Look, my FFIE short term for now sits at 14. All right, it sits at a club 14. We broke. Ooh, sits at a club 14 now. Like I've been telling you guys, it don't takes a lot of buying. Let's get it over here. It doesn't take a lot of buying. Once you have a reverse stock split with a huge retail investor interest, it don't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price, man. When you have a drastic change in that share flow like that. With that being said, it's gonna work both ways, man. It's going to work both ways. Short term, 14 on the high. Low on the day for FFIE, Benji. 610. 610 on the low, man. And we already broke my low expectations here for FFIE on the day. So I'm giving you a 610 on the low. Shout out to you, Benji, man, for getting the whole house behind me, man. Really appreciate that. I remember when I first started doing this, man, we used to have like 200-300 people in these live streams. I guess since I don't do it consistently. Let me skip this ad. Because we don't like ads in our live streams, man. I try to keep those things at bay. Pop it up on you guys. How much time we got? 3 minutes, baby. 3 minutes. Until open. Now, once this open happens, guys, you guys are gonna see. Well, we need 5 minutes to go past the open. So 8:35. It's 8:27. 8:35. I'll be able to show you my process and finding stocks using the 5M chart. It's pretty darn easy. When we're using a 5-minute chart, guys, throw away the fucking charts. Throw away that fucking TA. All right. When we're looking at MRA, we finna check out MRA right now for my boy David. DB, my boy DB in the building. Shout out to David. I forgot what we were talking about. MRA. I think my man's meant to say MRM. Or is that MIRA? Oh yeah. I'm looking at 2 freaking different screens right now, guys. That's why I had to take the camera off. You'll be seeing me like look 360. Head going everywhere. All right, got 2 minutes in counting. But we need 5 minutes to go past on that 5M chart so you guys can actually see how I do this. Throw away the TA. Throw away the fucking charts. Throw away it all. When we're looking at the 5M chart, guys, we just basically taking what the market is giving us at that fucking moment. We're not trying to predict the market here today. Why? Because it's too risky. All right? Today, we're using our 5M chart. Straight momentum trade. You guys are going to see how I do it. It's pretty freaking easy, honestly. You guys are about to see this process and you're going to fucking be baffled. You're going to be like, ain't no fucking way he's calling these alerts using this. All right, MAXN, MIRA. We got to look at MIRA really quickly. 15-minute chart looks promising. Must come off earnings. No. Breakthrough. Fuck yeah, this is... I got a $2.90 price target on this for clipping. After it crossed that 290, this thing can get out of hand. I'm looking at this thing for market rally. I mean, open market rally at the open. Let's see here. Let's get the Discord to put this on their watch list really quickly. Shout out to my boy Dave. Dave put that out there, right? Yep, my boy Dave put this one out there for us. Shout out to Dave again. DB in the building. Shout out to my boy DB, man. At everyone, we got the market open now, but like I said, we need that 5 minutes to roll by so our 5M can work. I'm about to show you why here in a second. PT is 282 plus. All right, I had to alert that really quickly. 282 plus for that. And the reason why I say we got to do that, guys, because look, if we go look at our 5M chart right now is just basically going to be showing entire change of that actual stock. If you look at the 5M, 5 minute, let's get it. 5 minute ranking, as you guys can see here, basically the 5M is just basically the change, total change right now. PWM. Let's keep our eyes out on this. It looks like it's trying to do open bounce here. A bell bounce. MAXN. My boy DeMar wants to check out MAXN. It's a long time since we looked at Maxion. That's MAX. Sorry about that. Like, I need to warm up the brew again, man. I don't think the actual caffeine gets me up, guys. I really think it's the temperature of the fucking drink. Because once my coffee drops below a certain temp, I do not want that thing again. GOVX. If it drop below that 597, it can get hectic. But GOVX headed back towards its next leg up. All right. Everyone, let's alert the Discord. If you're still here with me, guys, if you're still watching a live stream, can you please drop in the live chat, still here with you? I just want to see something really quickly. Through 680. 680. PT is 740 plus. Plus on this thing. HAO. We got 3 more minutes before we can. Shout out to my boy Martin, still in the building. We got 3 minutes before we can actually go off that 5M. All right. Okay. Just typing in the Discord, guys. Anytime that I'm not doing nothing on the screen, I'm multitasking right now. See, as you can see, the chain, that 5 minute, we got 80% and all that in there. That the 5 minute currently isn't working. We got 2 more minutes before that 5 minute is actually accurate. I got from Mullen 70%. Should I say hell yeah? DeMar, listen. If you up 70% on Mullen, my guy, hell yeah, you need to sell that. Listen, you probably the only one in the world. Sure as the hell the only one east of the Mississippi River that is currently up on Mullen. Heck yeah. What we got? 2 more minutes before this 5M start working. You see how high these things numbers is on a 5 minute? That's because it's actually basically that change. We just need 5 minutes to transpire. Yeah, DeMar. That's something you do not want to play around with. I guess DeMar wasn't around for Mullen's heyday then. Because when I say wreck, I think I'm being modest when I say that about Mullen. Mullen allowed a guy by the name of Lawrence Harge parade false information with the company name behind it and didn't do shit about it. Bro, Mullen didn't even deny any of the man's claims. Mullen sat there and let him hype up investors with fake information while using the CEO's name. Like, man, it was crazy, bro. It was crazy. After that shit show, I be selling, if I'm swinging Mullen, I'm selling 15% up on the play. Our MRM is still running, baby. Our MRM running like a wild bull. We got 27 likes, guys. Listen, when I say it's very rare. Okay, our 5 minute working. It's very rare that we have more likes than viewers. All right, and we currently got that right now, which means we will be doing another live stream here today. We're gonna do the Power Hour live stream. We're gonna do a Power Hour live stream throughout the middle of the day. Make sure you over in the Discord because today is a nice day in the market. Nice day in the market. Our 5M is crazy. TNXP, baby. Let's see, man. TNXP drop at the drum of the open, but I don't think it's done though. I think we're gonna see a bounce here. We should see a bounce. We should see a bounce. I'm sure then I will. FAMI. Shout out to J-Dub, Jerome White for the FAMY. FAMI. right, guys. FASISI. All right, we're gonna take a brief look at that one here shortly. Yeah, guys, I come up with these nicknames on the fly, man. So if you drop a comment, just know you just earned yourself a nickname from Obi. Yeah, comment does come with a nickname, guys. 15. You know we like the 3 5 15 when we analyzing stocks, right? In case you guys don't know that, 3 5 15. Where we sits at here, 25%. 25 even is too as well. It's pointing towards a break below 24 cent, man. That's what it's looking like. Jerome. All right, our 5M should be pretty darn accurate right now. Yep. What time is it? Okay, it's 38. NDRA, ladies and gentlemen. Don't miss on this one. I gotta alert this one in the Discord. Everyone. NDRA. The entry, you guys is about to hear the price target in real freaking time. 55 cent plus, no, 56 cent plus. So we got a first PT on here. Oops, damn. PT. Okay. Did we just break it? Like why they never give me? Okay. About to say, why they never give me any time? Let's put a bail on this. This is another thing you guys gotta stop forgetting to do. And that's setting that alert there. I like to do 3 or 5%, seeing as the strides that this making. We're gonna do 5%. So now the beauty of this is I don't have to watch the ticker, guys. I don't have to watch it. It's like having eyes in the sky. PWM broke. Yep. Didn't we? It did. It broke that mid band. Broke through the mid on the upper, on the circuit. Man, this thing maybe head to $1.74 on release. And maybe head towards $1.74 on release. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, man. What tickers you guys want me to check out? But our 5M, let's go back to it. What's the INDO doing here today? 3-5-15. Let's look at, that's post market. Let's look at the intraday. Just watching these fly by, guys. Watching these fly by. What y'all currently looking at? You guys don't want to tell me those tickers, huh? You guys trying to keep the money for yourself? TCJA dropped to 27 cents. If I should hold into that 30, you down 10%, right? A little bit over 10. Should be, let's see. TCJH. Break below that. TCJH. What was it? 34 cents on the price target. So we did hit the price target. And everyone, price target hit, of course. What was that? 809? Got that at 809. So that was before the open. So we did hit the price target. Cool. Everyone, the TCJH PT smashed. I don't know if you heard the price target on TCJH. My boy Martin. But yeah, what's the 34-cent price target on TCJH? Let me show you really quickly. It should be on display. But when that was alerted today, on TCJH, entry was 31 cent, price target 34 cents. No new price targets after that, by the way. Looking for that NDRA to cross 56 cent. I hate to tell someone to cut losses, man, because a loss is a loss, but yeah, man. I don't know. As far as recoup, far as making that 35 cent again, not likely. I do think this thing's gonna give out some more to the downside though before it turns around. Mullen jumping a bit. Benji say MULN. Jumping a bit. If you call this a bit, shit, I wonder what your lottie is to you. This is a nice, pretty darn jump from Mullen. Dude, this is like rare for Mullen. When I say rare, good God Almighty. Full-fledged turnaround. Like I said, that mid 59 cent on the mid. I think it's about to cross that mid here. We're talking about short-term turnaround for Mullen, by the way. PIXY for my boy SP. Silver page, guys. Shout out to Silver for dropping. Giving us something to do. Let's say that. Giving us something to do, guys. That's what I like. It's early in the morning. My wife's trying to sleep. So, let's wake her up, right? I hope she didn't hear that, because she is playing sleep. Okay, guys, we got 27 likes. Let's get this thing to 30 likes, guys. Let's get this thing to 30 likes. Just 3 likes away. Pretty good. Pretty good stream here this morning. Better than our average. PIXY, though, mid. Challenge on the mid on the day. We did challenge it. That 116 broke below it. Gap fill, $1.35. Get these interval stats here really quickly. 12% gain. Boom, 516,000. So very low volume on PIXY. It's the only thing it's really missing, the fly. I do think this thing is headed towards that gap fill. The only thing I don't like here is that day chart rejection on that mid cross. Day isn't over with yet, but if we can cross that mid here on the day chart, can you say bull flag? Can you say bull flag? If that does take place, I do think by the end of the week we should be filling this gap between that $1.35 and $1.38. ASST, and it's still pushing pretty. We got that circuit breaker on ASST. We got that circuit breaker on ASST. NDRA is back catching on our scale. We must retrace it. We must seen a slight retracement. Yeah, we did. How high did we go? 51 cents. that upper canal top, that top challenge on that Bollinger. Still pushing along, guys. Still pushing along. Just one like away from 30 likes, guys. Bam! And that's that break through the mid. It's that break through the mid. You got some UBXG. We finna go check out UBXG really quickly so I can give you guys a quick analysis here. You got it on the retrace. What's your price target? SP. PT on this SP. I wouldn't get too greedy on it though. Worst come to worst, we may touch this lower 262 before we actually see a reversal towards that mid of that 309. But I think we is headed back towards 309 at silver. Damn, MRM. Yikes, about to set an $8 high. No problemo. Let me put a new everybody. MRM new. PT is 820. $820 plus on MRM. We got this thing Friday. $3 your mark. Yeah, don't get greedy on this one, silver. Just take your 20%. Well, I mean your 10%. Well, slightly over. Under 10%. That's always my first price target from entry, guys. I always do a 10% PT from entry. First price target, always 10%. I don't do nothing crazy on the first PT. Holding some CING. Forgot about it, huh? Forgot to lock in those games. We headed towards 820 on this thing. Anybody holding MRM? I'm about to go warm this coffee up. to is we gonna come back to our 820 PT. God damn. Okay, we hit the PT. God fucking damn. It's a new PT being set though at 850, but at everyone PT smashed. MRM new PT set for 850. ASST steady hitting that scale. It's not done. It's ready to keep running. SMFL. That just hit the scale for some reason. Mid sits here at $1.19. RR is back in it. Let's look at this thing on the day chart. Wow, we called RR perfectly then. RR was called in our Discord. What day, time, and hour? Let's check this out. I forgot at what price I called RR. I called so many fucking things, man. I called this at $1.24. Call RR at $1.24, huh? It's not bad. I thought it was lower than that. Kind of disappointed. Kind of disappointed at this one, but RR is at $1.24. I go to 23rd. And right now, this thing sits at coming off of a sweet high. A sweet high of 204 today. Again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to the Discord. I drop alerts daily, all day long, pre-market, trading day, aftermarket. I give you guys stocks to analyze over the weekend. Just pretty darn busy. Let's get to our 5M again, see what else we can find. But yeah, man, a 5M is what we really like to go off of, bruh. We ain't charting a goddamn thing. ASST, MNTS, MN fucking TS though, is on its way. Remember, we find these things right off the 5 chart. Off the, damn, I already alerted MNTS. That was a couple days ago, though. That's when we did that first recent rally with it. $1.18. Fuck. Let's see, live chat. Check out the chat. We got 30 likes. Shout out to those that is Mullen taking off. Short term. Let's go back to that day chart. Yeah, like I said, short term, it could be headed back towards the 59 cent, man. Challenging that upper. Now, as far as it breaking the upper, breaking the mid and challenging the upper, it's too early to call the mid, but I think we're going to challenge that mid here early this week, first half of this week. I can't believe it's still people that looking to Mullen here on the channel. I used to be a Mullen guy. And then I met the CEO. Dude. Hey, remember Lawrence Harges Mullins? How y'all used to say it like that? He used to be like, yeah, me and Mullins. What the fuck is Mullins, man? It's Mullin, not Mullins. Yeah, I mentioned Mullen, and that's because on a short-term turnaround. I ain't want anybody to think that I'm, hold Mullen until next quarter earnings report. Nah, because it seems like anytime I talk about a stock, people tend to get the wrong impression on it. Like I made a video talking about not buying a stock, a certain ticker, and I got like 12 comments saying, "Why are you pumping this stock, this and that?" I'm like, you asshole, you must didn't fucking watch the video. Because clearly in the video, I'm saying, don't touch this thing. I got Mullen for 24 cents. God damn, DeMar. At 24 cents, he damn near caught the bottom on this thing. If you would have bought it at 23 cents, SEC would have been coming, knocking on your door, asking you questions, man. Because you basically got the bottom. Only short term, yep. Only short term. Only short term. I mean, yeah, only short term. As far as being long on an EV stock, let me tell you guys something. EVs aren't profitable. Did you know? 92% of EV auto manufacturers lose money per vehicle sold. So a company like Mullen, or a lot of these startup EV companies, FFIE, they all lose money per vehicle sold. Only car manufacturers that's able to keep up with this EV stuff is major auto manufacturers that is still making money. Well, Lucid and a little bit of Rivian and Tesla, but these major auto manufacturers are still making billions of dollars on gas-powered vehicles, indoor hybrids. So your Fords, your Stellantises, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, they have money coming in to sell these EV vehicles and lose money on them per vehicle sold. Mullen, all their money comes from EVs. FFIE, all their money will be coming from EVs. Every product sold will be at a loss. Not Ford, not General Motors, not Stellantis, guys. Get with the program. It's no longer an EV market. It's called an auto manufacturing sector now. Why? Because every fucking auto manufacturer makes EVs now. So, and it's like these auto manufacturers, your General Motors, your Ford, your Stellantis, just because they're selling EV vehicles now doesn't mean that they're going to sell double the vehicles that they once were. The reason why these companies are making EVs now, so they won't lose market share to companies like Tesla, Lucid, Rivian. That's the only reason why, guys. It's just so they won't lose market share. Not because it's the next big thing and EVs are selling the most now and they have to adapt. No. They're selling EVs just so they won't lose market share. That's it. That's all. So, yeah, I don't look at these as long-term investments at all. They're nice trades, though. Yeah, partnerships. You remember that Rivian Amazon thing? I think that thing got blown out about the water. Mullen top 5. NDRA. NDRA. Trying to get back to that 51 cent. Ooh, it break that mid Bollinger Band on a 1. I mean, SAR flip. Got a SAR flip. Got a SAR flip. And I think this thing headed to 55 cent. MIRA, my boy did point this to us today. It's on the retracement slight though. Nothing major. Nothing major, nothing major, nothing major. Shout out to those that are still watching the live stream. It really means a lot, guys. It lets me know that you guys like these streams, and we will keep them coming 2 a day. And keep the SEC away, right? FFIE. Mullen still holding top tier. Dude, I haven't seen Mullen at the top of the 5M in my entire trading career. When something is at the top of that thing, man, it's huge momentum. A lot, not just huge. Lucid is, what the fuck is going on? Mullen FFIE. Hold on, hold up. Wait for industry. I don't see it. Should tell me the industry somewhere right here. I don't see it. Did I make it too small? There you go. Auto. So two top on the auto, man. What the fuck is going on? Auto parts here. The auto sector is killing it. HYZN, man. There's gotta be this thing on the NASDAQ at 6 cents a share. God damn, that's a huge share float. And they still got a lot of room from dilution. At about 69 million shares they can dilute at any given moment. ASST on the retracement from, what time is it, guys? 9:04, 30 minutes in. We might see Rivian and Volkswagen. I'm like about 40 minutes from a Rivian plant in Normal, Illinois. And let's just say they had 3 shifts. Now they down to 2 shifts. Not too long ago, it was a fire in the damn building. Shut them down for about 2 weeks because of that. Recent news we know about over there is that South Carolina, I forgot what building they're trying to make a new building in a new state, but the one down the road, they just retrofitted it for their new vehicle. So right now they're in some cut corners mode. They're trying to like save money best way they can. MRM, what we doing? MRM on a retracement. MRM is on the retracement. New to the live stream, guys. Let's try to get this thing up to 40 likes, guys. See if we can get this thing to 40 likes. We're just 9 shy. 9 shy away. MRM. Mullen pulling back up. NDRA seems as though that it just gave out. AEMD found itself on the wrong side here. But Mullen, like, what the fuck? What did I say that mid was at? I think we might be touching that. We might be crossing that. Mid raised a little bit. That 59 cent here today, man. Just 19 likes. Just 9 likes away, guys. Smash that like button. Please, please, please. Really does help with the channel growth. If we could probably get 40 likes in here, we might get some more viewers due to YouTube recommendations, guys. So help the big O out with a like. You really want to push the envelope and you want to see YouTube recommend this thing. Drop a comment in the live chat. Shout out to my boy Benji. Benji, you holding? Guys, I'll be talking like I know you guys, right? What we think about on AMC? AMC. Let me not give you what I think too early, all right? Before I even see the chart. All right. So I hate to say short-term turnaround and I come back to this thing and this thing flat-fledged red. If y'all did check out my last video on my second channel, the WSB channel, we spoke about this, man. AMC, short-term turnaround. We should be challenging that here today, which was 525 yesterday on the chart. But GME, really quickly, I'm gonna tell you what I think about with AMC. I just gotta look at GME here. All right. Now, what I said within that video was that AMC was on the short-term turnaround, but it didn't show that GME was, even though that they tend to actually trade alongside each other. AMC just looks way more bullish right now than GameStop. I mean, we're already reaching pretty damn close to my expectations here. For today was at 525, so it's pretty early in the day. Still have more room to go surpass that 525, of course, but all right, man. You want to see my face? All right, let me go put it. All right, I was pretty comfortable. All right, pretty darn comfortable. I was pretty darn comfortable, but let's do it. Let's do it. Pretty darn comfortable. But you want to see the big old face, right? They want to see the big old face. Let's cut these lights on. Let's put these Mickey Ficky lights on, guys. Let's put on our hat. And let's get the trading. All right, let's make sure we got the video queued up the right way. Deactivate. Activate. Is that the right video? No, it's not. Deactivate that one. Okay. Filters. Which one would that be? Recorded videos? No, it's this one. But I don't understand. Where is my video? Activate live streams is okay. All right. Mexico. Why would they? Why would they, right? You said you wanted to see the big O. You got the big O. AKA, they call me the best dad ever. All right, guys. But we here today, and let's get to trading, man. Let's get to trading. Go to Alt. Let's do that. All right. You say a whole lot gonna pump. Now watch it drop like a rock because I am on the screen. AMC. Yeah, we should be challenging that 525 here shortly. Mullen is just a rolling. Rax has given up. I ain't gonna say it's given up, but its multi-day run is giving up. How is Holo looking? Getting back to 49 cents. Yeah. HOLO. Okay, see that mid Bollinger retracement on 3, not good. Not good at all. Something like this spit is doom. We could be headed back towards that lower. A rejection on the mid is more often than not, it ends up a challenge in the lower or shortly after. Shout out to Joe for that comment. Shout out to you, Joe. Let's look at our 5M. Let's look at our 5M. We got 34 likes, which means only 16 more to go, guys. Right? PWM. We want the 5 minute, not the 5 day. Of course, 5M. Don't get the 5M, mix it up with the 5D. Alright? 5D heavy. Alright, I got silent there because this really right here. AIXI. Keep your eyes on the prize. What is that for? 96 PC will be. Boom! This thing is headed towards 550, man, on the swing trade. Alright, you heard it here first. 550 on the swing trade. It's another thing that I wanted to check out, though. Markets just took a dump. Should we do some options? No, we ain't. Yeah, 161, 169. On our RR. Anybody still holding RR from the alert? If you still holding RR from the alert, guys, let me know. This was alerted at $1.20. Five-minute chart. Reason why we like this 5M, guys, because it shows us, it ranks the stocks in the 5-minute ranking. So we basically see which stocks is moving the most within a 5-minute interval. So we're actually able to find these home run plays before they become homers. We're actually able to find plays before they become on the top gainers. We actually define, like, we're able to find these things pretty darn quickly and consistently. For instance, like PWM is doing a lot right now. She's just doing a lot. Mullen is doing a fucking whole lot right now. Just look at the fucking number roll. Just look at the numbers roll. See. No matter how good Mullen's doing, I never fucking alert this thing anymore. Me and Mullen had a long history, guys. It's really fucked the CEO, though. Honestly, bro. Me and David don't get along. Alright? Me and Dave don't get along at all, guys. Dave will probably do his interview with me, but I'm gonna let him have it. If y'all want to see that interview, I'll reach out to Mullen later today and set that up. But I'm gonna grill his ass, man. I'm gonna grill him. We looking at 55 cent on the cross. I think 65 was the upper. I think 60. No, that's way up there. Upper is at 50. 59 is currently at the upper now. I mean mid. We should be crossing this mid here pretty soon. Someone get this MRR back to $8. Let's see. Oh, mid Bollinger dance. If it break below it, it could be headed towards the lower. Let's keep our eyes out on it. It's when it's so close to the mid like this and trading long it, it's hard to predict where it's gonna go. But I don't know what to say about Mullen, guys. I do not know what to say about Mullen. Still going though. See what's going on Reddit. Just checking Reddit really quickly, guys. See if anybody. We got BND. They want me to talk about BND. BNED. Sorry about that. Barnes and Nobles. Still doing pretty good, guys. The new short squeeze target. Y'all heard it here first. So you may want to go get you some Barnes and Nobles before it actually takes place, guys. Not everybody's talking about this one just yet. But I think once that actually happens, it's going to be too late. You remember what happened with AMC? These short squeezes, it's going to create more bag holders than winners. Common sense. But ASST look like it's back on the turn, guys. The turnaround. Any ASST shareholders out there, what could Mullen test today? My boy Benji, I think 63 cent on the high end. Depending on PA rolling into 63 cent, we may just go even further than that. The ASTS breakout. 203, this thing can fly. After 203, this thing can fly. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it. 1 second. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. I ain't go anywhere, baby. I ain't go anywhere, baby. I keep saying baby. My wife might wake up. So if the stream cuts off out of nowhere, I just know if the wife has been woken out her sleep and I'm somewhere hiding. Better that than Zeus kicking my ass. Zeus always try to kick my ass. But that's my pal. I don't know if you guys see my dog. His name is Dr. Zeus. He's not a real doctor, though. He just got a PhD in nutrition. That's where you get the doctor from. If you were to buy calls on BNAD. What would you get on the bonds? I haven't checked. I didn't think so. I don't see any open interest on these things. But you can certainly buy it. There's no fucking open interest on it. No out the money calls. I'm not even sure if you could buy this damn thing. Can you? Yeah, you can buy this damn thing. No, you can't. I mean, it ain't no fucking open interest in it. There's no open interest, so none as of now. It'll be so fucking hard to get in and out of it. The lower the open interest is, to expect the higher the range of the spread. The lower the open interest, the wider range of the spread. So, let's go to. Let me show you really quickly. Explain this the best way I can. That's 10 cents, 25 cents. So for instance, let's say there's currently 25 cents, right? In order for you to basically get this thing filled, you would probably be paying around 35 cents or 30 cents to get this thing filled. Right? You have a huge amount of open interest. Probably get this thing filled at 26 cents, 27 cents. Maybe even 25 if you're lucky. But with open interest low like that, man, that range, that spread range is pretty wide, which only is how the market maker makes money here in this case. Market makers love to be market neutral. And that's who really makes the most money, guys, is those that are market neutral here. Like if we look at Mullen's spread, not on options though. If we looked at Mullen's, look at the spread right here, capital G. Yeah, bid and add spread. Okay. Fucking as wide as I thought it would be. Let's make sure. Let's get related stocks here. Bid and ask. Because depending on the spread, the wider the spread is, the more control market makers will have. And because I don't see it. Oh. I don't see it. Bid is at 52, 50. It's just like a 0.02 difference. Like a like a 2-cent spread on there. So basically, market makers is trying to buy your shares at 50 cents and sell theirs at 52. 2-cent spread, and that's how they make their money all day long. Off the spread. That's it, that's all. They don't care if the stock goes up, down, left, or right. They're market neutral. You just make money off the spread. And those are the guys that's really making money in these share markets, guys. With no hassle. We got six likes away from 40 likes, man. Can we cross it? Can we cross it? See what else we got going here. Mullen on the retrace. MRM on the retrace. Only thing that's pushing up is AS ST. Overall, slow but surely gradual gain. We got check out HOLO here really quick. Not looking good. Not looking good. Let's check out. We said HOLO. Nvidia. Woo. Markets is crumb. Markets is crummy today. Markets is crummy today, guys. Very crummy. It was a nice live stream today, though. Shout out to my boy Miguel. I went to school. One of my close friends named Miguel. Brother named Ricardo. Ricardo and Miguel. I wonder what those guys up to. MNTS. Oh, there you go. I want to break that 122 on the high. Just looking to do it here too. 3, 5, 15. 3 looks strong. 5 looks even better. 15 being overbought. 3 and 5 looks promising. 15 looks a little shaky. This 15 looks a little shaky. High here, 122. Huge wall at $1.22 though. Huge wall at $1.22 on MNTS. Yikes. MAXN. Back towards that lower RR mid break. On RR, just 5 likes away from 40, guys. 40 likes in today's live stream would be more than enough. Been more than expected, I tell you that. And again, guys, if y'all gonna be here during the Power Hour live stream, let me know so I can expect to be there as well, guys. ASST. Nikes just broke out. Just broke out and set another high on the day. ESP, AST, 220 was the price target. Yes, 220 is the price. Oh, fuck, we did break the price target. It's just so much updating I gotta do when you're doing a lot at once. I gotta update the Discord. Everybody. ASST, PT smashed. New PT set for 245 plus. And again, guys, if you plan on being here in the live stream during Power Hour today, let me know in the live chat. We're going to be doing a Power Hour, which is 2 p.m. Central Time to 3 p.m. Central Time. So, guys, make sure you bring those tickers to the live stream. This one is showing us. Say we'll be there for more power. Yup. Shout out to my boy Fins. What's going on, Fins? Finnegan. My boy Benji gonna be in the building. We just 2 likes away, too. 2 likes away from our 40 like milestone. Just broke out past the 240. We got a what? What's the PT on this thing? New PT on this thing? New PT is 245. New PT 245 here. It's 2 likes away, guys. If you're new to the live stream and you didn't smash that like button, can you please do so now? We're just 2 likes away from 40 likes here in today's live stream. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it is 9:30. I'm going to be letting you guys go here. I will be doing a live Power Hour live stream, which is the last hour of the trading day. Hope to see all of you there, and be looking out for my update videos throughout the trading day. So with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys go.